Hello, nice to have you here. So in this video I will talk about 5 reasons why a follower is out of balance and how to fix it. In a previous video I talked a bit about light following and I mentioned balance as one of the things that makes you a light follower. And this is a little bit more detailed explanation about balance and the different reasons why you don't have balance. If you have your own comments, your own ideas about balance, feel free to comment in the comments below. And yeah, that's it. Let's go. So the first reason for bad balance is that you have the feet too far apart. What does it mean? When you have the feet too far apart, you will always have weight on both feet. And as soon as you lift one foot, your body will be out of balance because it's only supported by this foot and the body weight is in the middle between the 2 feet. So then you will rely on your partner and you will feel heavy also. So try to keep your feet as much as possible together in the taps to make you a more flexible follower. It makes it easier to just lift one foot without losing balance and without relying on your partner. So the second reason why you might not be in balance is that you're not walking on a line. When we are walking normally and when we are dancing, we should be stepping not exactly on the line, but just outside the line so that we are in balance every part of the step, from toe to heel in every step. When you step on a line, you're in balance, you don't rely on your partner for balance, and you become a light follower. So we should always try to step just outside the line, both walking forward and back. When you are not on this line, when your feet are too separate, your feet are really going in kind of a zigzag pattern like this, and you're just in balance a little moment in the middle. So you're almost never in balance when you walk with the feet too separate. You're always relying a little bit on your partner for your balance, and it feels heavy. The third reason why you might be out of balance is that your steps are either too big or too small. When they are too big, you're moving a little bit too much in relation to your partner. You might find balance yourself, but this will pull your partner a little bit out of balance, and as a couple you will also be a little bit out of balance when this happens. So try to not take too big steps because you're moving too much around your partner and the balance is not going to be as good as it can be. The other reason is when you take steps that are too small, which means they are not long enough to find balance for you, and you will be hanging a little bit on your partner. The fourth reason why you might be out of balance is when you're moving too far away from your partner. So basically, normally you keep your own axis like this, the leader and follower. When you're moving too much away, if you're connected in upper body, your axis will not be the same. You will start moving with axes that are not straight up. You will have a little bit this position, and you will need to compensate with the muscles in your lower back, and you will get pain in the lower back when you dance a few dances. And of course this balance is not the same as when you keep your own balance 100% in your own axis. So the fifth reason you might be out of balance is that you're stepping too early. If you step too early, you will not know the size of the step. You will not know exactly how long step the leader wants you to take. So if it's too long, you will not find balance, and if it's too short, you will also not find balance, which means you will rely on your partner for balance and you will start feeling heavy. So when you walk back, it might be that you step before and he steps on you. When you walk forward, you step too early and he is finishing his step a little bit later, and you have not found balance because he's taking a longer step than you do. Try to take your step just a millisecond after a guy, and you will know exactly the size of step he wants to give you. And then of course we have the combination of all these different reasons. So for example, if you take a step that is too short, then you will not be entirely in balance, and you will need to take a step maybe a little bit too early, and when it's too early, you will maybe not find the right size of the step, and you will not be in balance once again, and then it just goes on like this. So really try to focus on these things. Keep your feet together. Number 2, walk on the line. Number 3, focus on the size of step, so that it's not too big or too small. Number 4, stay close to your partner, don't step too far away. And number 5, make sure that you don't step too early. So wait until you get the signal for the so you know the size of step before you finish your step. Those are my 5 tips for balance, and if you have comments, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click the little notifications button next to the subscription button, and you will get updates about the new tips and tricks and online classes, and of course you can watch all the old videos as well. So yes, that's it. Take care. Bye bye.